Retail is under a lot of pressure, and M&S is not divorced from that.
Marks & Spencer is a UK-based international retailer.
The biggest challenge we have is that as an organisation with 70,000 colleagues, the vast proportion of them is frontline worker-based. They need information at their fingertips quickly.
Our stores are clearly filled with manual processes and have been for many years, like all other retailers. And it's important that we replace those with faster, simpler, and most importantly, more traceable solutions that allow us to centrally look at how our stores are performing.
Microsoft Teams has enabled us to think much differently about the different processes that our colleagues need.
Teams provides an ecosystem on which we can build applications that allow colleagues to operate the store through one interface.
So being able to use these tools to automate day-to-day tasks takes dependency off the engineering team that would ordinarily be building these applications. The biggest feedback we get around the Power Platform is the speed to market which we can deliver an application. The two apps I'm most proud of recently is a customer counter, which we built in relation to the current pandemic, which allows us to count customers in and out of our stores safely. And the second one would be our People Finder app, which is a Teams-hosted app allowing colleagues to find colleagues and initiate a Teams call or chat.
We've been integrating third-party application providers into our Teams ecosystem to make it easier for our colleagues to interact with these various services. We have a program called Suggest to Steve, where any of our colleagues are able to suggest ideas that they think would improve the company directly to our CEO.
We can have a look and see what other suggestions have been made, and it's really easy to use and really accessible.
When one of our store colleagues needs assistance and reaching for help has meant typically picking up the phone, it's not traceable, and what we've been able to do by delivering the store's help portal is provide an application that will route them to the best solution. The time would be a saving of between £500,000 and £1 million just logging calls. Being able to do that more efficiently and more accurately will far outweigh that.
The ultimate impact is that our colleagues can stay focused in the workspace where they are receiving their core communications, where they are living in their day-to-day.
I think the more we come together as a company through Teams, the more our customers benefit as well. The possibilities are endless. Everybody wins.